I ordered an HMT wristwatch from India through eBay. The first one I got arrived broken. The winding stem, when I pulled it out to set the watch, pulled all the way out and it would never function again. Didn't wind, wouldn't set the clock. So I posted a bad review on eBay, and the seller said if I revoked my review, he'd send me a new one. So the new one came yesterday. The custom form was filled out on August 21st, and this is September 30, so that's how long it took to get here. Came in a bag. Here's where it shipped from. The watch was wrapped in foam, and this one works. The original one said it came with a faux leather band, and it came with a cheap plastic wristwatch. But this one is stamped on the back genuine leather. I'm not sure if this is leather or not. It's highly polished if it is. I have a feeling it's really vinyl, and that this cushioning part is leather. The numerals are in Hindi, and that doesn't matter. I think it makes the watch more interesting if anybody ever notices. You can see the thinness and how small it is, and I have small wrists, and this is a watch that fits my wrist. My understanding from what I've seen on YouTube is that HMT stands for Hindustan Machine Tool, and it was set up in the 50s or 60s to work with Citizen from Japan to make wristwatches for Indians. And eventually they shifted from Citizen to making the watches on their own. Unfortunately, the company went under decades ago. I've forgotten what year. It was in the last century. So from what I understand, all the watches now are what are called Franken watches. HMT left, I don't know how many parts, but enough to start a cottage industry in India, assembling watches from the parts left over from Hindustan Machine Tool Company. This one works. I've wound it and set it correctly. I'm going to pull out the stem, and you'll see the second hand continues to run. So you can't get what's called an accurate time hack, and I'm not sure it matters with this watch. I haven't had it long enough to see how accurate it is. I'll set it by my phone or my cable box clock, and then check it again in a week and see how it turns out. But I have no expectation that it's going to be a remarkably accurate wristwatch, and I don't care. It's not important to me to know the exact time.